Yo, what's up everyone? It's Shahrukh, and let me tell you, the future is looking wild. We're talking robots, AI that can write poetry, and self-driving cars that are already hitting the streets. We're living in a time where science fiction is becoming reality right before our eyes, and it's all thanks to the mind-blowing advancements in artificial intelligence. Now, I know what you might be thinking, AI, isn't that just a fancy word for algorithms? And yeah, you're not wrong. But what sets these AI projects apart is their ability to learn and adapt in ways we never thought possible. In this video, we're diving deep into the 10 most insane AI projects that are changing the game right now. We're talking about breakthroughs in medicine, space exploration, and even the way we create art. So buckle up, because things are about to get seriously futuristic. First up, we've got DeepMind's AlphaFold, and this one's a game changer, especially if you're into, living. Imagine being able to predict the three-dimensional structure of proteins, those tiny building blocks of life. Sounds pretty complex, right? Well, that's exactly what AlphaFold can do, and it's doing it with insane accuracy. Think about it. Understanding proteins is key to understanding diseases, developing new drugs, and even engineering better crops. AlphaFold is like having a superpowered microscope that can zoom in on the tiniest details of life itself. Before AlphaFold, figuring out a single protein structure could take years of research and a ton of money. Now it's like hitting fast forward on scientific discovery. We're talking about potential cures for diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer, all thanks to AI. It's like unlocking a secret level of biology, and the possibilities are pretty much endless. Who knows what kind of medical breakthroughs are just around the corner because of this tech? Next up, we're jumping into the world of art and creativity with DALL-E. This AI is straight up wild. You give it a text description, literally anything you can imagine, and it generates an image to match. Want to see a cat wearing a top hat riding a unicycle on the moon? DALL-E can make it happen. How about a bowl of soup that looks like a galaxy? Boom, done. This AI is blowing the lines between human imagination and machine learning, and the results are mind-blowing. We're talking about a future where anyone can be an artist, where creativity is no longer limited by technical skill. Imagine the possibilities for designers, architects, even filmmakers. Need a crazy set design for your next sci-fi movie? Just describe it to DALL-E and watch it work its magic. But it also makes you think, what does it really mean to be creative? Is AI truly being artistic, or is it just a really, really good mimic? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. All right, let's talk self-driving cars. We've all heard the hype, but Tesla's full self-driving, or FSD, is taking things to a whole new level. Using a network of cameras and some serious AI horsepower, Tesla cars equipped with FSD are learning to navigate roads, obey traffic laws, and hopefully get you from point A to B without any human intervention. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it really safe? And that's the million-dollar question, right? Tesla's constantly updating and improving FSD. And while it's not perfect yet, it's getting closer every day. Imagine a world without traffic accidents, where commuting is actually enjoyable. That's the promise of self-driving cars, and Tesla's leading the charge. But it also raises some big questions about job displacement and the ethics of AI decision-making, like if a self-driving car gets into an accident, who's at fault? These are the kinds of questions we need to be asking as this technology continues to evolve. Chapter 4, Woebot and the Rise of AI Therapists. Okay, this next one might sound a little strange, but bear with me. Woebot is an AI-powered chatbot that's designed to provide mental health support. That's right. You can now text your feelings to a therapist that's available 24/7, no awkward waiting room required. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can AI really replace a human therapist? And the answer is not exactly. Woebot isn't meant to diagnose or treat serious mental health conditions. Instead, it's about providing accessible, judgment-free support to people who might not otherwise have access to traditional therapy. Think of it like a pocket-sized support system, always there to listen and offer coping mechanisms. It's early days, but AI like Woebot has the potential to revolutionize mental health care, especially for those who might not have access to traditional therapy. It also makes you think about the future of human connection. Can AI truly provide emotional support, or are some things better left to humans? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Chapter 5, To Infinity and Beyond with NASA's AI astronauts. Space exploration is about to get a whole lot more interesting thanks to AI. NASA's using AI to power its next generation of missions, from autonomous rovers exploring the surface of Mars, to spacecraft that can navigate the cosmos without human intervention. We're talking about AI that can analyze massive amounts of data, make split-second decisions, and adapt to unexpected situations, all crucial skills. when you're millions of miles from Earth. Imagine a future where AI-powered telescopes can scan the universe for signs of life, or where robots are building the first human settlements on Mars. That's the kind of future that NASA's AI is helping to create. It's enough to make you wonder, are we on the verge of discovering life beyond Earth, and what role will AI play in those discoveries? Chapter 6, Duolingo's language learning revolution. Ever tried to learn a new language? It can be tough, right? Well, Duolingo's using AI to make language learning more effective and, dare I say, fun. Their app uses machine learning to personalize your learning experience, adapting to your strengths and weaknesses as you go. It's like having a personal tutor who knows exactly what you need to work on. But it's not just about memorizing vocabulary words. Duolingo's AI is designed to help you learn grammar and pronunciation in a natural, intuitive way. Imagine a world where language barriers are a thing of the past, where everyone can communicate and connect with each other. That's the kind of future that Duolingo's AI is helping to build, and who knows, maybe one day we'll be able to have conversations with AI in any language imaginable. Okay, this next one's a little freaky. GPT-3, developed by OpenAI, is an AI language model that can write everything from poems to code to full-blown essays. Seriously, this thing is scary good. Feed it a prompt, and GPT-3 will spit out human-quality text that's often indistinguishable from something a person would write. We're talking about AI that can generate creative content, translate languages, and even write different kinds of creative content. Imagine a world where AI is writing our news articles, our movie scripts, even our love letters. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but with GPT-3 it's becoming a reality. But it also raises some ethical questions. What happens when AI can create content that's indistinguishable from human-generated content? How do we know what's real and what's not? Chapter 8, IBM Watson. The AI that's out to solve everything. IBM Watson is like the Swiss Army knife of AI. It's a powerful platform that can be used for everything from diagnosing diseases to providing customer service to even predicting the weather. Seriously, this thing does it all. Watson uses machine learning and natural language processing to analyze massive amounts of data and provide insights that would be impossible for humans to uncover on their own. We're talking about AI that can help doctors make more accurate diagnoses, businesses make smarter decisions, and even governments address some of the world's most pressing problems. It's like having a super-powered brain at your disposal, ready to tackle any challenge you throw at it. Chapter 9. Google's AI revolutionizing healthcare, one diagnosis at a time. Google's not just about search engines and smartphones, they're also making huge strides in healthcare with AI. From developing algorithms that can detect cancer earlier, to creating tools that can predict hospital readmissions. Google's AI is transforming the way we diagnose and treat diseases. Imagine a future where AI can personalize your healthcare plan, predict potential health risks before they even arise, and even assist surgeons during complex procedures. That's the kind of future that Google's AI is helping to create. We're talking about potentially saving lives, improving patient outcomes, and making healthcare more accessible to everyone, and that's something worth getting excited about. Chapter 10, Microsoft's AI for Earth, saving the planet, one algorithm at a time. Last but not least, we've got Microsoft's AI for Earth initiative. This one's all about using the power of AI to address some of the world's most pressing environmental challenges. We're talking about using AI to track deforestation, monitor endangered species, and even develop sustainable farming practices. Microsoft's providing researchers and organizations with the tools and resources they need to leverage AI for environmental good. Imagine a future where AI is helping us combat climate change, protect biodiversity, and create a more sustainable future for generations to come. That's the vision behind AI for Earth. It's a powerful reminder that AI isn't just about robots and self-driving cars. It's a tool that can be used to make a real difference in the world. So there you have it, the 10 most mind-blowing AI projects that are changing the world right now. From healthcare to space exploration to the very way we create art, AI is no longer a technology of the future. It's here, it's evolving rapidly, and it's already having a profound impact on our lives. And the craziest part? This is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, who knows what incredible breakthroughs are just around the corner? Which of these projects blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're there, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more videos exploring the cutting edge of technology and the future of, well, everything. Peace.